Charleston area real estate agents. This is Michael Tritthart, international technology instructor. I'm based out of North Texas, but I'm going to be in your area on February 3rd, providing a day-long workshop on all things tech. And the best part, the whole day has now been approved for CE credit for the state of South Carolina. So what we're going to do is we're going to start the morning with AI, the Realtors AI Playbook. I'm going to show you all the ins and outs of ChatGPT, AI in general, lead magnet mastery techniques, tons of elements that you can apply right there in the class with your laptop or your tablet. We'll then take our lunch break. We're going to come back and I'm going to do probably the most powerful class that I teach, which is Become Google Great. Now the record for this class, I had one business owner add an extra $500,000 to their bottom line in 1 year for free. You do not want to miss this day. This is going to change your business for the better very rapidly. Now we have in-person options that include CE. We also have a Zoom option, no CE available on that, but if you can't join us in person, you absolutely can join us via Zoom to still get the great content. Look forward to seeing you guys very soon on February 3rd. Thanks.